Hello again, guys. In this fourth video tutorial on how to make a resource pack, I'm going to show you guys how to do custom animations. And so we're going to take a texture. In this case, I'm going to use the diamond item, and I'm just going to copy it over here. So let's grab that real quick. Items, diamond. And then in order to edit this file, what we're going to do is use a program called GIMP, which is basically the free version of Photoshop for those of you out there who don't have $7 million to give to Adobe. This has been really helpful for me, at least. And it kind of has a learning curve, but you get used to it after a while. So let's open up GIMP. And let's wait for that to open up. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add our file in here, and let's zoom in. There we go. So first off, the basic to making it an animation is Minecraft by default is 16 by 16. So what that means is this image here is a 16 by 16 image, and to make an animation we're going to add another 16 by 16 image below it, and then another below it, and that'll make 3 frames. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the M button on my keyboard to use the select or the mover tool, and then I want to go ahead and go to image, and I'm going to change the canvas size, so I'm going to triple the height. So let's make that 48, and we'll resize it. And so now that's going to give us the space for our 3 frames. And then I'm going to go ahead and just duplicate our diamond layer, and we'll call that 2. And we'll actually go ahead and make that one 1 just so it's clear. And then we'll duplicate number 2 again, and we'll make that 3. So now we have 1, 2, and 3. So let's select 2. And we're going to move it just below number 1. Then let's select 3, and we're going to move it below number 2. So for the middle frame, which actually ended up being frame 3, let's add a filter. Let's do bump mapping. So now the diamond kind of pops out some more. And then for frame 2, let's just kind of spray some stuff on there. We got to go to the brush tool. And we'll just kind of put some smoke around it. So okay, that's it. We've got 3 frames. That's all I really need to do for now to illustrate the point. So I'm going to go ahead and export this as a PNG file. So let's select, did I pass it? Oh no, okay, it's right here. And we're going to go ahead and export. And we'll select yes to replace the old file, and export. So now we can go ahead and close GIMP. We don't really need to save that for now. And we have our diamond.png. So the first frame of our animation is going to be a normal diamond. The second frame is going to be a 3D diamond, and then the third one's going to be just kind of a smoky looking one. So let's copy that now, and let's go to our resource pack, go to assets, Minecraft, textures, and then this would be in the items folder, so let's go there. And this is an old one that I was working on, so I'll delete that, and then let's paste that in. So now we have our diamond texture. The last thing we need to do in order to tell Minecraft now to animate this texture is we need to create a .mcmeta file. And to do that, all you have to do is really just go to new text document and then name it diamond.png.mcmeta. It's very important to include the PNG. It will actually look for that, so don't forget. Alright, so now that we have our diamond.png.mcmeta file open, what we're going to paste in is the following code. And this is the most basic thing to get a animation working. This is all you really need if you just want Minecraft to use the default settings for animation. So if you wanted to change, let's say, the frame rate, for instance, you could paste in or type in parentheses frame rate and then :20, and that'll be the frame rate from anywhere from 1 to 100 frames per second. And in this case, I'll go ahead and leave that. There are also a bunch of other settings that you can use. I'd highly recommend that you check out the wiki if you're interested in going into a more advanced configuration for your animation. But for now, we'll just go ahead and use this. So I'm going to go ahead and close this now. And what we want to do is I'm going to copy these, or actually, I'm sorry. Let's go to our resource pack zip file. And then let's go back to our textures. And let's go to Assets, Minecraft, Textures, and move in the diamond.png. Click OK. And then let's get the MC meta file. So then we'll close that, and we'll copy our resource pack, and let's put it in the resource pack folder, replacing the one that we did in the old tutorial. And then let's open up Minecraft, and we're going to go ahead and test this out now. Okay, let's go to single player and test. And so there we go. We can see we're in Minecraft now, and I have a diamond in my hand, and things are on fire as well for some reason. But the animation is working. It's really annoying, but it works, so that's great. So what we did basically helped us to create an animation. We can slow it down with the frame rate if we want, or speed it up. And if you really wanted to go into more detail, like adding delays between frames or setting the order of the frames to play, just go to the wiki page for creating a resource pack, which I'll put in the description. And there's a list of things that you can add there. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or you think that I missed something, please just let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to respond. So, alright guys, take care. Thanks for watching.